All right, let's do this. Hello and welcome back to another episode of Dish Upon a Star. My name is Samantha and today things are heating up as I teach you how to make Hades nachos. Hades nachos can be found on a Halloween party nights at Pecos Bill's in Frontierland in the Magic Kingdom. Never got a chance to try them. Looked easy enough to recreate, so I'm going to teach you how to do that today. Recipe's going to be down below as well as a link to last week's episode. While you're down there, my socials are down there. I've got Facebook, Instagram, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that little bell so you'll get a notification every time I post a new video. We've got new videos every Friday, and I am so excited to show you what I have for the rest of the month. This was really fun to put together. Eddie and I made it kind of like a little Pecos Bills night, and it felt like we were at the Disney parks even though we are safe in our homes. Let's get started. So the base for this recipe is essentially buffalo chicken dip. And when I make buffalo chicken dip, typically I put it in the crock pot. I didn't want to film a crock pot for 6 hours, and I know that you guys don't want to watch a crock pot for 6 hours. So we're going to cook everything on the stove, a little bit easier, quicker. For ingredients today, I'm using my favorite buffalo sauce, 2 cans of chicken, cream cheese, white cheddar, and ranch dressing. You're going to place your chicken and hot sauce in a large skillet over medium heat and cook until heated through. Add in your cream cheese and ranch, and you're going to mix until your cream cheese is melted. We're going to add in some salt, pepper, and your cheddar cheese, and stir until the cheese is fully melted. Store didn't have black bean tortilla chips, but Hades is blue, so blue corn tortilla chips it is! I decided I wanted more of a sheet pan vibe with these nachos, so I wrapped my pizza pan in tin foil, topped with chips, dip, and then I put some extra shredded cheddar on top. And we're going to put it in the oven at 475 for about 5 minutes. We've been doing shots this whole time of, what is it called?
Coconut.
What is it called? Do you have it? Hold on.
Coconut shots.
We've been doing these, and for adults who watch my videos, this is really good, and I don't like coconut. Maybe I'll make a video where I'll make a pina colada out of that. It's pretty freaking good. So
heck yeah.
We will do, this is our third shot. This will be to you, YouTube viewers. Thank you for your continued support and watching my weird little channel. I appreciate you. Cheers!
Cheers.
Let's do this. Oh,
That's a face to make.
I know. Let me switch one. So I'm gonna set everything up like we're at Pecos Bills and we're at the Toppings Bar. Yay!
Yay!
I bought a bunch of stuff from Toppings Bar that they have at the parks. And I'm just gonna set it up so we can kind of make our own little plate of Hades nachos. Eddie, did we have the Hades nachos? No, we had the regular nachos.
Regular nachos.
Because we got to the Halloween party last year too early.
Too early.
So we couldn't get the Hades nachos. We had to get the regular ones. But we're gonna try the Hades ones today. Yay!
Yay!
So for our at-home Pecos Bills Toppings Bar, I have guacamole. This is from Costco. I will link it down below. This is my favorite store-bought guacamole. It is so good. Then I got light sour cream from Trader Joe's. That is my new favorite grocery store of all time. Everything is awesome. That's where I got the chips from. And also from Trader Joe's, I got cowboy caviar. It's pretty close to the corn salsa that they have at Pecos Bills. It's a little more like chunky, and it's got more like tomato flavor than what they have over there at Pecos Bills, but I really liked it, so I had to buy it. And then I just have some salsa from Aldi, and I have some pickled jalapeno slices. So once those nachos come out of the oven, we will kind of make our own little plates and everything, and we will eat. Yay! So it is tasting time as usual. Eddie goes first.
What's that?
Wait, that's okay. Go ahead, you're good.
Mmm.
Good stuff, honey?
Mm-hmm.
Good. So I got some buffalo chicken, I've got some cowboy caviar, And I'll put some guacamole on there. Like, you really can't go wrong with buffalo chicken dip. And this is really good on like nachos. I am very happy with how this turned out. Eddie, what do you think? Good stuff?
Really good.
Well, we are gonna watch Saw 2 tonight and enjoy our
Disney classic.
Very Disney friendly. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Whose nachos did you think were prettier? I already know the answer. Did you like Eddie's nachos or did you like my nachos? And what are your favorite nacho toppings? Like your favorite like oddball nacho toppings. Like I had nachos with like pineapples on it once and it was really good. Get any like weird? Eddie's a nacho connoisseur. So I gotta ask
I
him.
like steak. Pineapple sounds good.
It was really good. It was on like pork nachos. I think it's at Polynesian.
Oh.
Oh, I should go someday. They're such good nachos.
Maybe like a dessert nacho. Put like gummy worms and chocolate.
Well, I have a birthday cake that I've wanted to make for you for a long time, but you'll have to see when I make it.
Okay. Oh. Surprise. Probably just ruined that.
Yeah, I
Good.
probably did. Well, thank you so much for watching. Have a magical day.
Magical day.
All right, I thought of another question. What is your favorite Saw movie, if any? Tell us in the comments. I've only seen the first one, and I saw the third one in like middle school, and I really hated it. I was very scared. I'm just watching the second one. What's your favorite one?
I kind of like this one.
The second?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, let us know in the comments. Have a magical day.
Magical day. You don't like the taste?
No, I just
Does it
it's
taste good in here?
no, I do like it.